Hi there, welcome to my Tech Tutorial YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to solve step 7 has found a problem with Automation License Manager. This problem is a very common for Windows 10 user. When they install Semantic Manager step 7 on their Windows 10 PC, then this problem will appear when they are going to run the software. Most of the automation engineers face this problem. I have two solutions for you to run Semantic Manager step 7 on your Windows 10 PC. First method is go to the control panel and then programs. From this list, select Siemens Automation License Manager and double click on it to uninstall from your computer. This may take few minutes. I have skipped uninstallation process for reducing video length. After completion of uninstallation of Automation License Manager, your PC requires to restart to complete the process. After restarting your computer, you have to reinstall the Automation License Manager. Installation process is very easy. In this time, you can select your setup language. You should select only Automation License Manager to install. Installation is take a few minutes to complete. Restart your computer after installation and then run the program step 7. Wow, it's working for me and everything looks okay. If this will not work for you, then go to the second option. Now the second method is run the program as administrator, who is need to do each time of opening your Semantic Manager. I have a permanent solution for this problem. At first, right click on the Semantic Manager icon and then open file location. Now right click on S7TGTOPX and go to the properties. Now go to the compatibility settings and check the run this program as administrator option. After that, click on apply and then OK to save changes. After completion of this process, go to the step 7 application and run smoothly without any problem. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day.